Hello. Would it be possible to get some house lights up for a second, please? Thank you. Hello everyone. Nice to see you. First of all, thank you whoever organised the pink things. That looked amazing. How are you feeling at the top? Good. Now, we have a yawner. We have someone who's sleeping, so if we could be very quiet. If we could be very, very quiet for a second. So, you're asleep. How old are you? She's almost 2. Shh. And a name? Scala. Skyla. Scala. Scala. Like a scar on my face with a la. Scala. Oh, Scala. Wonderful name. Do you want to put her headphone things back on? She's half asleep, which usually I would find very offensive, but considering she's almost 2, I'm gonna let it slide. Hi Starla! Are you having a nice time? And she's yawning. Okay. Well, I'm having a nice time, so... I'm gonna sing another song for you now, and you're asleep. And if you know the words, please do join in. This one, we're gonna consider it a lullaby tonight. This is for Stone. I wrote this in 2015.